Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY detail iron remover. First I'm going to obviously wash and dry the car, and then you'll see me most probably to use this one just to spray a complete surface at a small part of the car only, because I don't want to waste the product. And then you are going to see me to use the decontamination towel together with this product and then just agitate it on the surface. Let's roll.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it will be so sweet. But when it's you and me, nobody can bring us down, bring us down. But I don't wanna let go if you don't love me back. 'Cause I don't wanna let go if you don't love me back.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine, this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail iron remover. Scent-wise, it has this typical very strong rotten accent, but other than that, it works very well. Just to show you, I used only this much, and majority was gone when I've shown you on one of the door and the rear of the car how it works, but otherwise I wouldn't use this way. For a long time, actually, I switched over to the DIY Detail method. I just apply some rinseless when I wash the car and it's all clean and well, it doesn't even have to be dry, but just to, after the wash, I just apply some rinseless wash just to give some lubrication. Then I use one spray here and there on the clay towel or the mineral, or sorry, the synthetic decontamination towel, and I just apply with the towel. So 2 in 1, and I use considerably less product, and it's not as smelly when I'm working around the car. But anyhow, all in all, I can hands-on heart recommend. It's a good product. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.